Sir has just mentioned yesterday that Vestige management want to do something big, really, really big. And so that is why the first time in direct selling history, Vestige has launched 20 crore rupees in just 1 year. For our distributor, we have seen the data. हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा data देखा, plus minus, how many achievers, how many people are not achieving, not doing, how many people are maintaining, how many people are maintaining TBB, how many people are maintaining just a bronze director or a silver director. We have seen all the data, and then we came out with all these offers, right?
Yes.
And one thing, because I can see there are a lot of UCDs, DCDs, and DUCDs. We really want all of you to come up in a different role now. Right? Different role. Once you have got a son and he becomes 22 or 25-year-old, his responsibility changes. And father responsibility also changes. Father always try to teach his son what is the best and what is the worst. And start mentoring his son or a daughter. Yes, parent also mentor their children. And that's what we want. हम इस साल एक चीज आप लोगों से चाहते हैं. We really wanted one thing from all of you, that is called mentoring. Mentoring. Your new role is called mentoring. Mentoring is teach the one of the best to your downline. Grow them up. Bronze director, silver director, with TBB, without TBB, whatsoever it is. But this is very, very important role for all of you. Because in direct selling, if we say there is royalty income, then how there is a royalty income and when it is going to come? It will come once you mentor your downlines.
Yes.
You make them independent. आप अपनी downlines को independent बनाओगे, mentor करोगे, उनको counsel करोगे, उन्हें सिखाओगे कि किस तरीके से आप आगे बढ़ो. राइट किस तरीके से आगे बढ़ा जा सकता है, किस तरीके से न्यू लेवल्स लिए जा सकते हैं, किस तरीके से इनकम ली जा सकती है. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, राइट? एंड मेंटरिंग इज द न्यू थिंग व्हिच आई रियली वांट यूसीडी डीसीडी बिजनेस लीडर्स एंड डबल यूनिवर्सल क्राउन डायरेक्टर अडॉप्ट 30 people.
Yes.
Right? 30 people or number of people you can adopt. Adopt means just like adopting like your daughter or a son. To train them
Yes.
for the best of the best things. Because once you are just gonna do this, अगर आपने ये किया, तो take my word, it will take maybe 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. But take my word, हम जो कहते हैं ना direct selling में royalty income, you will be the first generation, I can bet, will be getting the royalty income in direct selling. And if this is gonna happen, and Vestige, our MD sir has given a vision now that we have to start the mentoring concept in Vestige, right? So automatically bronze, silver, gold or star, diamond, crown, they have to do what they are doing it. जो लोग वो कर रहे हैं उन्हें करना है, but उन्हें mentor करना है double universal crown director पहले. सबसे important double universal crown director. How many double universal crown director are there? Just raise your hand. We have got a double universal crown director or double crown directors, right? These people, your job is to mentor people, to help. Hold hand of your downlines. If they have got any problem, you are the solver, not the management, not the company. You are the ones who are just going to solve all their problems. ये आप है. Father, बच्चे के पास कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो वो पड़ोसियों के पास नहीं जाता, या दादा के पास भी बाद में जाता है, या परदादा के पास भी बाद में जाता है. वो सबसे पहले कहाँ जाता है? Absolutely, mother and father, parents. और मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, इस पृथ्वी पे कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 90% प्रॉब्लम तो मैं जानता हूं कि लोग अपने आप ही सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 90% ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम वी कैन सॉल्व आवरसेल्व्स, राइट, इंडिपेंडेंटली. 10% ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर व्हिच फॉर दे नीड अपलाइंस. They need you and you have to be with them. Take my word, just this year start mentoring your downlines, your bronze and silver. So that is why अगर आपने देखा हो तो हम लोगों ने जो कल पूल भी निकाले, 5 crore pool for the business beginner, बिजनेस बिल्डर्स के लिए 3 करोड़ का, या और सेल्स में हम लोगों ने आपको पार्टनर बना दिए. यू आर अ पार्टनर ऑफ वेस्टीज. इज नॉट आवर सेल्स टीम जॉब नाउ, इज प्योरली योर थिंग. क्योंकि आप